Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you here. Today I'm really excited to show you the super easy light smoky ultraviolet eye. If you've heard, ultraviolet is the color for 2018 according to the Pantone Institute. So using these 5 colors, I'm going to show you super easy, super quick ultraviolet smoky eye. Keep watching, and I also linked all the videos below for how I did this full face Cinnagens look. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is take Moca ShadowSense and a little fluffy brush, and I'm just going to brush that into my crease. Just so I just get a little bit on the brush, like that. And then little like patting circular motions work really well for getting it where you want to go, and then you can just kind of windshield wiper it. And don't worry if you go like outside the lines, as it were. We can clean that up super easy later. And then next I'm going to use a little Garnet ShadowSense to put a little extra in the corner because we're doing a little bit more of a dramatic eye. Nothing too crazy, but a little smoky. Black eye time! Okay, looking pretty scary right now, but don't worry, it's all gonna come together. All right, next up, we are going to use Amethyst ShadowSense. I'm gonna put that all over my lid. This color is just so pretty. I'm just using the same fluffy brush so far for everything. Alright, now you're going to want to get a different brush. Clean one, because we're going to do Silver Shimmer ShadowSense up next, and we're going to put that like right in the center. Open up our eyes. Blend it in really well. Go into the corner just a little bit. Now we're going to do some eyeliner, but I'm going to use Onyx instead of iSense because I want to be able to smudge it a little bit. But I'm still going to use my little flat brush. Just get a little bit on there. Okay, and then you're going to take that original brush that we used for the crease and the purple, and you're just going to kind of blend that out. Soften the line a bit, as it were. Other eye. Same thing, blend it out a little bit. And now we're going to do under the eye, and I'm going to actually use more of a pointy fluffy brush, less fluffy, because I want to be able to be a little more precise. And I have some Onyx on here, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to get that, just space the name from it, Amethyst, and I'm going to put a little bit on my hand so I can dip it off without getting any remaining Onyx that's on here on my actual applicator. I'm just going to get a little purple on there. Just draw under there, and you can see that the Onyx is still on the brush and it's coming off a little bit. Okay, and then you're going to take this and you're just going to blend it a little bit. Smoke it out. There. Okay? And it still looks a little messy, but don't worry. We're going to clean that up. Okay, next up we're going to do the LashSense, and then I'm going to go and finish the rest of my face. Click the banner up there to see how I get flawless, airbrushed, natural looking skin with my Make Sense. But first, let's do some lashes. Okay, so I'm going to be using LashSense with UnderSense, and always curl your lashes before you put on your mascara, right? Otherwise you can risk breaking your lashes. Okay, now with the LashSense, you're going to put it on just like your regular mascara, but build more on the ends. or excuse me, the UnderSense. You're starting with the UnderSense. And the cool thing about UnderSense is it not only elongates and thickens your lashes, but it conditions them while you wear it. I mean, no more dried out brittle lashes. And don't be alarmed, I know I still look a little bit like I have black eyes, but we're gonna be cleaning that up. I will show you in the next video. Okay, so after you put that on, brush it out, comb it out. I personally just use like an extra mascara wand. You can use a metal comb, you can use, you know, I personally just really like the way this works the best. And it's easy to get. Okay, and that's dried. We're gonna put on the LashSense. I'm using black, I always use black. I'm excited to show you guys how to cover up all this that's going on right here. My hormone skin. Now, like all the Synergens products, the LashSense is buildable, so you can just build up to the look you want. So you can either be like, you know, light cover or light building, or you can like really build it up where you look like you're wearing like false eyelashes without having to buy them. Isn't that convenient? Okay, and it does not clump or look weird, but what you can do is just comb it out afterwards for an especially fluffy look. Okay, now let's finish this phase. Keep watching or click the banner up there.